Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to create rules in Gmail. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Gmail has what's called filters, and those are basically rules. To create them, you can easily just come up to the search bar and click on Search Options. This is where you would create your rules. You have lots of different options here, like you can say, I want to create a rule from certain addresses. Maybe anything that's sent to certain addresses can be adjusted or filtered by looking for words in subjects. This is kind of like includes, and you could even type in modifiers here, like if it's a certain label. For instance, if it comes in labeled business or something, you can do an action based on all of those labels. You can search for things like is unread or is read, for instance. You can also look for things that it doesn't have. So if you want to search for any email that doesn't have the word unsubscribe in it or something like that, you can set up a filter for that. You can also filter size emails. If you maybe want to set up a folder for any email that's over 10 megabytes so you can easily find those later, it's easy enough to search as well here. You can also filter for emails that are sent within a certain time frame, and then this will be like a filter that searches all mail or specific mailboxes. There are a few other options down here, but let's go ahead and set up a sample filter. Maybe I want to filter everything from this email. Basically, I'm saying, hey, anything I get from this email, I want to do an action to. So I'm going to leave it as that, and then come down here and create this filter. This is where anything that matches my criteria, so it's from that email, I want to apply an action to it. Maybe this is an email that I just don't want to get any messages from anymore. So I'm going to say, anything I get from this email, I want you to delete it. You can also apply this filter to any matching conversations. If you've already received 1,000 emails from this sender and you want to delete them all right now, when you create this filter, it will also apply to those, plus any new ones. Then you can do that just by checking the box down here. Let's just say pretty simple, anything from that email I want to delete. Then I can create this filter or create this rule. Once I've created that, it will work. To find where all your filters are, you have to go to Settings. Go to Settings, then click on See All Settings, and in the middle tab, you'll see Filters and Blocked Addresses. Click on that, and you'll see all the filters in the top section that you've created on your Gmail account. You'll see the criteria it matches, like it's from a certain email. What's it going to do? It's going to delete it. You can go back and edit that filter pretty easily by clicking the Edit button. You can also delete the filter by deleting it there. If you want to do something to multiple filters, you can select multiple and then use the buttons at the bottom to export or delete them all, for instance. That's basically rules in Gmail, filters in Gmail. You can filter things to different folders you've set up, like with labels or different inboxes, and really take control over your email by creating rules. In this case, creating filters in Gmail. And that's it. So that's basically how you can create rules in Gmail. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.